Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about the forward chaining or forward reasoning in artificial intelligence and machine learning. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. So if we see the forward chaining technique, it is a propositional logic. Now it will start with the atomic sentences. So if you see the atomic sentences, that is only one letters are there, A and B. So it will start with the atomic sentences because always atomic sentences are true. Always the atomic sentences will be true. So using them, if we construct the forward chaining, then we can prove Q. So in the knowledge base and applies the inference rule in the forward direction. So we will call all of this, that is left hand side also there and right hand side also there, no? So we will call them as the inference rules in the forward direction. To extract more data until the goal is reached. So what is the goal in the given question? To prove Q is true. So if they give prove Q, then you must prove Q is true, like that. Now if we see the properties of the forward chaining or reasoning, it will move from bottom to top. So it will move from bottom to top, and it is also called as the data driven technique. Why it is called as data driven technique is, we will use the data given and then we will be constructing the tree, like that. Now, and it is also used in the expert statements. So this is the theory part. Let's construct the forward chaining or the forward reasoning. So what I said, it must be starting with the atomic sentences. So write A and B here. Now A is over, B is over. So in the inference rule, where left hand side is also there and right hand side is also there, see for A and B together. A and B together. So this symbol means A and B. So if you see A and B, both are in the left hand side, which is giving rise to L. So A and B. So you will put the symbol like this, it will represent and. They will produce L. Now search for A and L or B and L. So if you see B and L is present. A and B is over, B and L is present. B and L is there, no? B and L is producing M. So B and L are producing M. Next, if you see L and M, so in the left hand side L and M is present. So L and M both are producing P. L and M both are producing P. So if you see P at the left hand side, here it is there. So P is single-handedly there and it is producing Q. You stop here. If you see, I said at the starting, always the atomic sentences will be true. A and B. So if A is true and B is true, then L will be true. Since L and B are true, M will be true. Since M and L are true, P will be true. Since P is true, Q is true. Now we proved Q is true. So this is the forward chaining or forward reasoning for the given question. So in this process, what you will be doing? You will be starting with the atomic sentences and keep on building them using the left hand side, and you must build the right hand side. So when you go at the top, which you want to prove, then you come back and see, since both of the atomic sentences are true, then they will produce another one which will be output will be true. So then you combine L and B. Since B and L are true, M will be true. Then L and M are true, therefore they will produce P as true. Since P is true, Q is true. So we proved the Q as the true one. Hope you understood the concept of the forward chaining or reasoning. If you like the video, please subscribe for more engineering related topic, and the playlist link of the artificial intelligence and machine learning is provided in the description. You can access it. Thank you.